Today I'm going to talk about vitamin deficiency in chickens, how to spot it and how to treat it. Let's go!
I'm Becky. One day I had enough, so I sold it all, moved to the country, and built my own log cabin with my own two hands. Now I spend my time discovering new ways to live a simple, healthy lifestyle with more free time and way less stress. Then sharing what I've learned with you. Welcome to Becky's Homestead.
Sunshine Country Chicken says, Becky, you are looking younger every year, which I don't know how that's possible, but thank you so much. Your coop is adorable too. Thanks for sharing. You're so welcome. My chicken story is recently I was able to bring a beloved rooster out of severe vitamin deficiency, a full-grown standard rooster. It took a couple months. Now he is thriving and has 6 hens to care for. Never give up. Well, that is so sweet of you to get the rooster and nurse him back to health. And now I'm just going to talk a little bit about vitamins. I guess if you get one and he's just really down, any chicken, really any animal, really down, you might want to give him vitamins. I have to say, I've never given my chickens vitamins, ever, like in decades of owning chickens. And the reason is, I just try to nourish them with food. And one thing that nourishes chickens better than anything is meat. You have to give them meat. Nothing will bring a chicken back faster. Like within days, you'll see a difference. Like days. If they have meat every single day, and the best time to give it to them is in the morning. The morning feeding. Give them some canned dog food, canned cat food, sardines, those little wiener hot dogs that come in a can. I'm just trying to tell you some inexpensive ways to do it. And also you can use grain-free non-chicken cat kibble. That works really well. Get high protein. If you can get kitten kibble, it's even higher protein. And if you just give them some of that every single day, that bird will bounce back so fast and have like great feathers. They'll just look so good. But another important thing is a lot of animals that are really down, and what brings them down are worms. There's lots of different kinds of worms, lots of different stages of worms, and you just have to deworm the animals regularly if you want them to look good. This is where I dump my diatomaceous earth, just so it's handy because it comes in a bag. And so obviously if it's outside, especially in Florida, it's humid, wet, the bag will just absorb moisture. So I just dump it in this thing, and I'll show you what I have here, how I do it. I feed all my animals out of the same grain bin just to make it easy. The pig, the horses, the chickens, they all eat the same thing, except the chickens get their extra meat. And so I have this like ladle, and I would say that's like a half a cup. And so what I'll do is I'll just put a half a cup each in all the horse pans when I feed them. Once a day I feed grain. And then for the chickens, I won't do quite as much unless I have a whole barrel of chicken food that I have mixed up for just them. I'll just, do like, let's just say 4 of these at the top of the barrel and just mix it in there really well. I have another big metal spoon I used. It's like a big old-fashioned lunch lady spoon. And I just mix it in there really well, and then I'll just feed that. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you. Buy my chicken book, and also you can buy the diatomaceous earth. Both links are down below. Just click on them. Thanks for watching. Happy homesteading. Bye-bye.